Welcome to Fixing Expert. Today, we're tackling a common issue many homeowners face: a broken garage door spring. But before we begin, remember safety is paramount. Always wear protective gear, and if you're not comfortable handling this repair, consider hiring a professional. If you're ready, let's get started. Safety first. Disconnect the power cord to the garage door opener and disable any automatic garage controls. This is to prevent any accidental operation of the door while you're working. Also, make sure to wear safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself from possible injuries. Identify the spring. Figure out whether you have a torsion spring system or an extension spring system. Release tension. If you have a torsion spring, you will need winding bars of the proper size to release the tension. Insert the winding bar into the winding cone at the end of the spring and slowly loosen the set screws. Then carefully turn the winding bar, releasing the tension of the spring. For extension springs, use C-clamps or locking pliers on the tracks below the lowest roller to hold the door open as you work. Remove the spring. Once the tension has been released, you can remove the spring. For torsion springs, remove the screws holding the spring to the central rod bracket, then slide the spring over towards the cable drum. For extension springs, remove the safety cable and detach the spring. Measure and buy a replacement. Measure the old spring accurately to ensure you buy a suitable replacement. Note the length, inside diameter, and wire size. Install the new spring. Install the new spring in the reverse order you remove the old one. Attach it to the central rod bracket, then slowly add tension with your winding bar if it's a torsion spring, or reattach the pulley and safety cable for extension springs. Test the door. After the new spring is installed, test the balance and movement of the garage door. The door should stay in place if you lift it halfway and let go, and it should not be hard to lift or lower. And there you have it, a perfectly functioning garage door once again. Thank you for joining us at Fixing Expert.